Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations to announce the new sew along. I believe it's pronounced Lilacia, I think, and Love. So it is going to be a beautiful quilt because look at those colors. Now I've already mailed out Carrie. I did that yesterday. You should expect it by Thursday. And here is the dates for the sew along. So that starts on July 24th, which is next Monday. It'll be the 31st, August 7th, August 14th, and 21st. And here is the long arm. If you do not have one and you want to try her out, this is Lori. And let me show you the colors to the Lilacia Love. They are absolutely gorgeous. Here is the first fabric. I had some of those flowers outside my house too before I moved to this state. This one almost seems like it's inside out, but it's not. Those are some pretty flowers. Here is a green like the lilac colored one was. A lot of these are really, really close in color, like, or design I should say. This one here, which has got a white background with the flowers. And then this one, same thing, except it's purple. There's a pretty white background with the flowers. Hopefully the camera's doing it justice for color, because boy, I tell you, these colors are gorgeous. And here is the green. And then here is our background. I think that is a, oh, that's, oh gosh, I can't think of the name of it. It's the stuff that Stephanie likes. It always makes me think of, whenever I see this fabric, no matter what color it is, it makes me think that they did the whole, like a wall. They painted it one color and then turned around and took a lighter color and applied it, because it looks like it's washed. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lay them down here on the table so you can go. And the color of that is called Grunge. I knew that once I got the camera off, I would be able to remember what the name of it was. Here's all the different fabrics. And it is going to be, finished size will be 60 by 60. So you're looking at 5 foot by 5 foot. I believe that's what 60 by 60 is. And we'll get started next Monday. I hope y'all want to join me. And the winner was Carrie, and it's already been shipped out. It'll be there on Thursday. I also sent out a package to my sister because it's her birthday this month. So they'll both get their packages on Thursday. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next Monday for the beginning.